Whenever it's a derby, South African derby, it's always a physical battle. Then secondly, you got to look at the conditions, the humidity. And I've been in Durban now the last few days, so it's been raining. So I think you need to prepare accordingly for weather conditions. We know it's going to be a tough physical game, and we need to make sure that mentally, physically, we're in the right frame of mind. We know it's going to be a very tough game going down to Durban and playing the Sharks.
From a player's perspective, and there was a similar scenario last year where you guys had a really good patch and then you had a couple of losses. Where's the team? Are they in a position where they can just arrest that and make sure that you don't go through what happened last year, and that even though you're traveling, you guys can get back on the winning side?
Yeah, so obviously we went through a tough patch the past couple of games, but taking the positives out of the games, yeah, we're really trying to improve every single week. As Coach Ricky said, individually, we're working on certain stuff that we need to fix as a team. So yeah, just obviously just keep on working hard, keep on grinding, and keep on trying to improve. At the end of the day, I think that is the aim for every single rugby player. You need to improve yourself, and you need to improve as a team. So that's our aim at this stage.
Is it fair to say that the Lions still have patches? They don't. It's not full on for 80 minutes. Is there a way, or how easy is it to eliminate those soft patches, if you want to say?
Well, according to me, it's just every single guy being in the moment. I don't think anybody makes a mistake on purpose. And at the end of the day, it's a game of momentum, where the momentum swung a bit against us. So we also working on trying to keep the momentum on our side, because obviously that's a place where we've been struggling a bit to turn the momentum again. And we're working on great solutions at this stage to turn the momentum to our sides again and to keep the momentum, not to give the momentum away.
Yeah. And last one from me, Ricardo, you spoke about the conditions and the stuff and, focusing on yourself. Without giving tactics away, what would the biggest aspect be that the Lions had to focus or have focused on since the Stormers match?
No, I think probably, obviously, as Pierre mentioned, we got workers from a Stormers game, is that we want to, for us, is to just build more energy around creating more opportunities. I think for our belief is the more we can create, the better the odds are in converting those opportunities. So a big focus on attack. Yes, we're creating good opportunities on attack, but we want to go more there, create more energy, build excitement around that, and hopefully we can finish more than we're creating.
How easy would that be in those conditions with a slippery ball?
Yeah, we're aware of the humidity, the conditions. It will be tough. The big thing is around you got to stay in a moment when it's momentum with you versus against you. You got to be in the moment with your game management, making sure that you use the right balls, play in the right areas. And I think that's more around our game management. How are we going to go about our plan on the weekend?
Thanks very much, Byron Kimmy, Manne.